Hey, it's Kim and welcome to our YouTube channel where it's everything flowers, and this time of year it's everything Christmas. I know, we're so excited. So this is a little bit backwards because I'm showing you the finished product right behind me, but we had an assignment from one of our long-standing commercial clients. Even in their office building, even in a pandemic, we were instructed to design a 24-foot fresh noble tree in all tones of blush and pink and white, inspired by Liberace and the Kardashians. And we were like, yes, we're so excited. It took a team of 12. There were chainsaws involved. The tree didn't stand up the first time, so you'll see we put it up twice. So it's all in the glamorous world of decorating. So check it out. We actually used spray flock and it created a huge mess. I know. And there was probably, I don't know, maybe 50 to 100 strands of lights. We used all sorts of white and blush ornaments, and I can't wait to show you what it actually looked like. Oh, my favorite part are these LED snowflake sparkle balls. They're the bomb, and they just make this whole thing sparkle. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure and follow us, subscribe, and hit the like button. Okay, bye.